Hello students, let's continue. In today's link, we will be reading question answers of our English lesson number 8. Okay? Question number 2. Answer these questions. Number 1. Why couldn't Farmer Pajama go to the town to sell his melon? Why couldn't Farmer Pajama go to the town to sell his melon? क्यों नहीं जा पाए? Can you tell me? Because his truck had a flat tire. क्योंकि क्या हो गया था? उनके ट्रक का टायर खराब हो गया था, पंक्चर हो गया था. It is called as flat tire. Answer: Farmer Pajama could not go to the town to sell his melon because his truck had a flat tire. उनके ट्रक का टायर क्या हो गया? खराब हो गया था. It became flat tire. Answer: FARMER farmer, PYJAMA pajama, COULD could not go to the TOWN town to SELL sell his MELON melon, BECAUSE because his TRUCK truck had a FLAT flat TYRE tire. Farmer Pajama could not go to the town to sell his melon because his truck had a flat tire. Now students, come to the next side. What you have? Question number 2. Where was Mini Pinny going in the morning? Where was Mini Pinny going in the morning? कहाँ जा रही थी? She was going to Jemima Rhymer's house. For what? क्यों जा रही थी? Breakfast के लिए. Right. Answer: Mini Pinny was going to Jemima Rhymer's house for breakfast. Answer: MINNY Mini, PINNY Pinny. Mini Pinny was GOING going to JEMIMA Jemima RHYMER apostrophe S Rhymers HOUSE house for BREAK break FAST breakfast. Mini Pinny was going to Jemima Rhymer's house for breakfast. Now, number 3. How did Anna Spanner help Farmer Pajama? कैसे help की? Answer: Anna Spanner helped Farmer Pajama by fixing the tire. How she helped? By fixing the tire. Answer: ANNA Anna, SPANNER Spanner. Anna Spanner HELPED helped FARMER Farmer PYJAMA Pajama by FIXING fixing the TYRE tire. Anna Spanner helped Farmer Pajama by fixing the tire. Number 4. How did Farmer Pajama use the pram? उन्होंने pram को कैसे use किया? Answer: Farmer Pajama used the pram to take the tire to Anna's garage. कैसे use किया? उन्होंने pram को कार्ट की तरह यूज किया है कि नहीं, टायर लेकर जाने के लिए. आंसर: FARMER फार्मर PYJAMA पायजामा used used the PRAM pram to take the TYRE tire to ANNAS Anna's GARAGE carriage. Farmer Pajama used the pram to take the tire to Anna's garage. Students, come to the next page. Last question. Question number 5. Why could Laura Flora not hang the washed clothes on the clothes line? Laura Flora अपने washed clothes क्यों नहीं सुखा रही थी clothes line पर? Can you tell me? Yes, tell me what is the answer. Because she is not having clothes peg. उसके पास clothes peg है क्या? No. Answer: because she did not have clothes pegs to hang the clothes. Once again, because 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 she did not have CLOTHES clothes PEGS pegs to hang, hang the clothes, clothes, because she did not have clothes pegs to hang the clothes. Okay students, so this 5 question you have to read along with the video. Okay, bye bye.